Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a green screen in Premiere Pro. With your green screen footage on your timeline, head over to the Effects panel. In the search bar, type Ultra key. This is the effect we'll be using to remove the green screen. Once you locate the Ultra key effect, drag and drop it onto your green screen clip in the timeline. With the clip still selected, go to the Effect Controls panel. Here, you'll see the Ultra key effect settings. Look for the Key Color option, and click on the Eyedropper tool next to it. Use this tool to click on the green area of your video, which will tell Premiere Pro which color to remove. If your green screen is evenly lit, you might find that the background is removed cleanly with just one click. If there are still traces of green or the key isn't perfect, don't worry. You can refine the effect using the settings under Ultra key, such as matte generation, matte cleanup, and spill suppression. Adjust these settings until the green is fully removed and your subject is clear and sharp. After you've keyed out the green screen, the background will appear black. This black area is now transparent, ready for any background you want to add. To insert a new background, move your green screen footage up to a higher video track. Then, drag your new background onto video track 1, below your keyed footage. Now, your subject will appear over the new background. That's it. You've successfully used a green screen in Premiere Pro. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.